Welcome to Mama's Kitchen. Hey y'all, I'm gonna make sticky ribs today. Okay, I'm gonna real lightly salt them because this is gonna have soy sauce in it. Cut them all up and put them meaty side down in these pans. These are baby back ribs. You can do spare ribs too. I got the baby back because they've been on sale at Walmart. Okay, I'm going to put them in here meat side down and put in the oven at 450 for 30 minutes. Put them in here for 30 minutes at 450. We're going to take these out and drain them, then turn them off. This one's draining much easier than that other one did. Okay, now we're going to turn them back over and put them in there at 350 for 50 minutes. Going to put them back in the oven for 50 minutes on 350 temperature. Okay, I'm gonna make the sauce. This is Smucker's marmalade, orange marmalade, and I am doubling the recipe. So for the single recipe, it's for one rack of ribs. So it's a cup and a fourth of this. I have to be sure and get it sweet enough. And then a half ground ginger. And a half garlic powder. Okay, and then a third of a cup of soy sauce. Okay, just gonna stir that up real good. This is enough for one rack of ribs. Okay, just gonna get them out here and put the sauce on them. I'm gonna pour the sauce on them. Let's make sure everyone gets some of it. We're gonna put them back in the oven for 30 minutes and they'll be done at 350. To the grease out of there as you keep it.